Hi, I'm Eric. Today I'm here to present our personal finance tracker, a secure terminal-based financial management application built entirely in Rust. Let's start with the problem. Managing personal finances is challenging, and current solutions have significant issues. First, there are major privacy concerns. Popular tools like Expensify store your sensitive data on third-party cloud servers. Next, many require expensive monthly subscriptions. And third, they are often too complex, with feature-bloated interfaces that have steep learning curves. And finally, there is a huge gap in the current Rust ecosystem. No native, easy-to-use finance applications. Our solution addresses all these problems. We built a standalone personal finance tracker that runs entirely on your local machine. It features a modern terminal user interface built with Rata-TUI, a secure Postgre database for data storage, and a RESTful API backend powered by Rocket. Everything stays on your computer, and since it's written in Rust, you get memory safety, high performance, and compile time error checking, which is essential for the financial software. Let's look at the architecture. We follow a clean three-tier design. The front end is a terminal user interface built with Rata-TUI and Custom, providing a responsive, keyboard-driven experience. The backend is a Rocket web server, handling all business logic and exposing RESTful API endpoints. Finally, we got Postgre for reliable data persistence, managed through diesel ORM, which gives us compile-time query validation. That means SQL errors are caught before we even run the program. Now let's cover the features. First, account management. Track multiple accounts like checking and credit cards with automatic balance updates. Second is the category management. Create custom categories to organize transactions. Use throughout the app for budgets and reports. The third is the transaction logging, which is the core feature. User can log both income and expenses with dates, descriptions, and category associations. We support two types of transactions: simple transactions with a simple category, and complex split transactions. For example, a receipt with groceries, household items, and entertainment can be one transaction, split across three categories. The app validates everything, adds up and updates balances automatically. The fourth feature is budgeting. You can set up monthly spending limits per category and track actual spending with visual progress indicators. And here is the profit and the loss reports. Monthly statements showing income and expenses by category with neat totals. You can navigate between months to see the patterns. And finally, here is the reconciliation. You can compare your transaction against the bank statements, view unclear transactions, mark them as clear, or edit all of the discrepancies. This catches forgotten subscriptions or errors. Balance recalculation are atomic. The data stays consistent. And for the technical highlights, we use Diesel to provide compile-time SQL validation. We use Tokyo for async HTTP with the synchronous UI event loop. Big Decimal handles currency without floating point errors. All balance updates use database atomic transactions. So in conclusion, we have built a practical, privacy-respecting financial tool that demonstrates Rust's fully stack capabilities. The terminal interface is lightweight and keyboard efficient, and we are proud to contribute this to the current Rust ecosystem as both a useful tool and a learning resource. Thank you.